experts who contracted silicosis say they want all miners who have worked in the gold mining sector and the families of those who've died of TB or silicosis to be rightfully compensated. The lawyers are calling for a class action suit against the mining houses. Now, on the back of this, a number of people are marching to the South Gauteng High Court in support of the affected miners and their families. Our reporter, Sibongile Mkani Mpolweni, is covering this story for us. She joins us now on the line. Sibongile, good afternoon to you. So while day 2 of the hearings goes on in court, we're seeing a spillover here. Marchers essentially making a stand of unity against mining houses. What's the latest from the march, Sibongile?
The march, it's a march in solidarity with the miners. Some of the miners included in the march and their families and other people from different organizations such as the Sonke Gender Group and Section 27. They are marching from Johannesburg, Newtown, and to the court. The march is underway as we speak, and it's going to via through Anglo Gold offices and then straight to the court.
All right, and Sibongile, who is there with the march, and what are people saying?
The people are saying that it is right that the marchers, the miners are fighting this battle for them. It will help in the future, and those that are still employed at these mining companies that are suffering silently. So the fight is not only about the former miners or the ones that have passed away, but it's for the people that are currently at work and underground today that could be suffering this illness. It's about making sure that the gold mines in the country take responsibility for such illnesses incurred by workers at their mines.
And shifting focus to the court, Sibongile, the stakes are certainly high as to the outcome on whether or not the court proceedings will go ahead as a class action suit. So what are we hearing from the courts today?
The court, it's still the miners' lawyers who are presenting their case. We haven't gotten to the mines yet. The mines lawyers are expected to state their case tomorrow, but right now they are still arguing that the matter will be classified and heard as a joint matter. Remember, we know that the mine companies want the matter to be heard as individually, not as a group. So they are still arguing on that, and they are representing the evidence, the sicknesses that these people endured. And you must remember that these are not people that who fell ill this year. It's a number of years. Some people have passed on. So it's also about compensation for the beneficiaries of those people that have suffered throughout the years because of loss of income of their breadwinners who had died at the mines.
All right, that's our reporter Sibongile Mkani Mpolweni on the line there, bringing us the latest from the marches there. Shifting focus now to the